Okay, let's review Master Tung acupuncture, the introduction. What is the maximum typical number of acupuncture points selected when treating?
Maximum,
Huh?
ano to? Ito, Dok, malabo mata ko
What's
eh.
the answer?
8.
Yes,
8.
eight.
Eh,
Eight on the right, eight on the left, maximum. Which ancient acupuncture text is referenced for having exactly 12 points that are alternately selected to address various problems?
Madan Yang Tuangqing.
Yang needling which location would make the practitioner more akin to an acupuncture nurse rather than a qualified acupuncturist?
Diba doon sa may painful spot, Doc?
Yes, you should never needle on the painful spot, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, because I had a patient, sabi niya, why did my acupuncturist needle me on the... sorry. I have to be careful pala. Okay.
It's recorded.
That's actually, you should not, that's actually very moronic, no? You don't need the painful spot.
What about Ash Point? Ash
Ash
Point
points?
is the painful area.
Yeah, but if you have distal points, you have to needle.
Sister.
Huh?
Because according to Master Tung, remember this is Master Tung,
Oh.
needling distal points are more effective. Okay. So because it's like when you do ashi points, I think we use ashi points to really confirm where the pain is coming from. So if there is an improvement, then you don't feel it. So according to Master Tung, you should not needle the painful spot. This is his theory. Which three conditions must be present for the use of ashi points? Oh yeah, when do you use ashi points? This is the next one.
Excess syndrome,
Yes.
uncomplicated case.
And also pain. So you can use ashi points only for excess syndrome. Okay? So that means you have to diagnose. Just don't needle like, ano, like a
pain.
practitioner. Uncomplicated case, pain. What is the primary therapeutic purpose of bloodletting?
To eliminate blood
system.
stasis.
The quote from the nating in the text indicates that the choice between shallow and deep needle insertion depends chiefly on what factor?
Di ba paano to?
The depth of disease involvement.
In the Piao Yu Fu writing reference, what method is applied to points contralateral to the side of the body with the disorder?
A draining method, Doc.
Which acute conditions are mentioned as having been successfully treated with rapid acupuncture response in emergency cases?
Cerebral hemorrhage, shock,
Shock.
coma, abdominal.
No, see?
Ganda, no?
What is the fundamental difference between TCM and allopathic medicine?
TCM ay 6
The primary cause of disease.
while the allopathic medicines
Treat symptoms.
Out of the over 1,000 acupuncture points, 1,000 pala. How many are frequently used?
A few dozen.
Dozen. Shadows on the skin are defined as what?
Shadow. Darkest
skin discoloration reflecting internal pathology.
Which specific extra point did Master Tung use to treat coughing and asthma based on observed shadows in that area?
Hindi ko alam.
Okay, di ko din alam.
Longer answer. Eugene. Longer answer.
Selecting more than how many points in a single treatment likely indicates that some points are useless. Okay.
8 only, Doc.
Huh?
8.
Oh, sige. Starting tomorrow, 8 na. Tinan mo.
Ano, 8 lang.
What is implied about repeatedly using the same point for different problems? Hala, okay.
Master
Indicates
level
mastery of the points property.
property.
Yes. Mastery of the points properties. We will also review mastery of the points, no? Point categories. Which condition is not a situation where dip insertion with long needle retention is recommended?
Acute
Acute
stress.
illness.
The more
Crucial.
acute, the shallower, the shorter, no? Why do many doctors avoid using bloodletting?
Marami natatakot dyan eh. Patients are
Patients are
afraid of
afraid.
What is the stance on needling the deceased site directly?
Never needle.
Yeah, never needle a deceased site directly. What proportion of ancient acupuncture prescription specific points were frequently used?
over 50%.
In acupuncture terminology, contralateral points refer to what?
Opposite points, opposite side of the body.
Which
Lateral.
characteristic is emphasized as essential for emergency acupuncture treatment?
Quicker spans.
Using more than 8 points in a treatment may lead to what undesirable outcome?
Inclusion of useless points.
Yeah. Waste of needles, no? Mhm. Hala, okay. Dapat pala 8 lang. I remember Dr. Palanca saying that. 6 to 8 nga eh.
6 to 8. Pag
You
sumobra
know,
dun
it's
daw po
like
yun.
when you use too many needles, you don't really know what to do with the patient. Kaya you use only the most important. The statement, kaya ano, let's try to, especially elderly and children, you cannot, at saka mga deficiency conditions, you cannot use too many needles.
Needle.
I-deplete yung kanilang energy niya pag madami.
Kasi ngayon para mabilis, di ba? Tusukin mo na rin sa likod. The back shoe. Kasi usually chronic yan, di ba? Okay. The statement bloodletting can eliminate stasis and speed up the cure is most closely associated with which category of disease?
Protracted, difficult, and odd diseases.
Pag difficult, i-bloodletting mo na.
Bloodletting.
Minsan, di ba, Sir Mark, di ba? Minsan when you needle, may lumalabas talaga na, like bleed.
Oo.
Especially sa
Mhm.
tenga.
Pagkatapos ng lumabas ng dugo, ang laki ng ginhawa nila sa
Oo.
katawan.
Lalo na pag yung style mo na magtusok, no? May mga tunog-tunog pa. Okay? Which underlines the selection of Ashi points.
Saan na ba tayo?
Number 20.
Number 23.
Easy for analyze the selection of Ashi point. Okay.
Yeah.
They are selected based on excess syndromes, uncomplicated case, and pain.
Okay, so Sister Rosa Shang, this is the answer, no? Like you can use only Ashi points on excess syndrome, uncomplicated, and pain. Okay. What is a preliminary criterion for determining a proficient acupuncturist? O, di ba, feeling?
Kaya ano kanya, familiarity with bloodletting, may maalam ka knowledge of.
Bakit pa nagkaka-heart imbalance ka na yan? Nag-heart. You are stuttering. So familiarity with blood. I think we have to look at your tongue, no? Which acupuncture point is specifically, I don't know this. Mentioned being used to treat sciatica according to, okay, these are just introduction. We will learn this later. The answer here is, I'm not very familiar. It's Lingku, 2205.
Yan, Doc. Binti ba yan, Doc?
Extra points ata yan, Doc.
Extra yan.
Sa likod.
Yeah. In the bluish tendon syndrome, which 3 locations are cited as common sites of venous congestion? Oh, I think we're familiar with the points.
Kapag may venous,
Pwede magkaroon ng
or stagnation.
So what is the answer?
Bladder, 40, Weisung,
Long
bladder 4,
5.
lung
Long
5,
5. And the
and
scapula.
Huh? No, upper
Bluish.
arm. Lateral upper arm.
lateral ba?
Oo.
Scapular,
Lung,
Yes.
lung
lateral.
11,
Upper,
Upper arm,
yeah.
lateral.
14,
What
Mm-mm.
is the primary physiological factor that determines the prominence of shadows in venous congestion?
yung mga padudugin to venous blood pressure.
Contralateral insertion principle states that the problem on one side of the head is treated by needling which location? Head yan ha.
The
Ano to, Doc, sa head?
corresponding point on the foot.
So ibig sabihin, pag may headache ka,
Sa
it's
foot.
actually when you needle the foot. O diba? Which of the following point pairs exemplifies the same direction correspondence? So that means same side, no? Between the arm and leg.
Elbow, knee.
Yes.
Elbow and knee.
Remember the mirror,
Mirror. Ano?
the mirror imaging.
Di ba kapag between arm and leg, arm and leg, arm.
Shoulder and
Diba
hip.
sa elbow and knee? Elbow.
Back
Halata
and
naman.
elbow.
In the opposite.
Between arm and leg eh. The elbow and knee.
Elbow and knee, di ba? Inaano ko anatomy yung kamay ko pag straight. Elbow and knee.
Arm and
Mm-mm.
leg. Alam nga naman naging arm yung shoulder. Madali lang to. Opposite direction correspondence between the upper limb and trunk. Which pair is correctly matched? Opposite direction.
Upper limb and trunk.
Ano ba tayo?
Hand and wrist, head and neck. Upper limb and trunk.
Okay. Head and okay. Okay.
Neck, wrist.
Head and wrist.
Hand.
Opposite.
Hand,
Yeah, opposite. A diagnostic method in Chinese pediatrics examines which specific digit to assess a child's condition. So if you have pedia patients, no?
Middle finger, Doc.
Yes.
No, index finger.
Huh?
Index finger for the child.
Yeah, index finger. Or yeah.
Ba?
Sorry. Yeah. Thank you, Sister Rosa. Which of the following is not a point used to treat aching or other kinds of pain of the thigh? Oh.
not listed point used to treat aching.
LI11 ba? LI11 ba yan?
Yeah. Maganda, di ba, sa thigh? SJ6, SJ5. I'm not familiar with that. Maybe we can be familiar with this link. The principle that any body area could be used to treat illnesses of the whole body is most directly attributed to which practitioner?
Master Tung.
Which symptom complex is most frequently associated with venous congestion observed as a purplish blue vein?
B syndrome to Tong B syndrome.
The treatment protocol suggests repeating the three-edged needle bleeding of the Luo channels at what interval?
Ito ipapunto ko sa repeating TH. Every 5 to 6 days, Doc. So, channel, interval, di ba?
Every
Weekly naman, di ba?
blood needling.
It's almost 1 week. 5 days, 5 to 6. In the same correspondence technique, which point would be selected for left side pain at LI11?
Left side pain.
Will
Right side.
pain level, huh?
And mungga, no? Left and right.
So what's your answer?
Right side, Doc.
Right side. Ay, oo, di ba? You treat the one that is healthy.
Yes.
You don't treat the one. Kasi bawal daw sa pain.
So,
I don't know this. Woohoo. Does anybody know this? The answer here, according to our source, is both hand and
Both.
pain.
Both.
Mhm. Mhm. Hand and
Dok, sa kamay yan eh. Maganda yan. Effective yan.
ay, wow.
Oh.
Ano yun, ano po, sa kamay?
Sa kamay.
Sige lang,
Extra,
aralin natin
extra
yan.
point yan, di ba?
Hand and
Master Tong.
anyway, introduction pala naman to. We will go deeper. The microscope
Advanced na yan.
concept aligns most
Advanced.
closely with which Western scientific idea?
Holographic principle?
Which point is employed to hindi ko to alam. Parang alam to ni Ma'am Letty. Okay, go. Kasi memorize ko
Ay,
lang.
hindi din po.
Hair nga usapan.
Hindi ko alam.
Pag merong all of the above.
Hernia.
What?
Hair nga, buwa.
In the opposite direction, correspondence between arm and leg. Ay, this one. Okay. My ankle pain. Anong gagamitin mo?
Arm and leg niya.
Shoulder.
Di ano, shoulder and ankle, Doc. Di ba ililipat mo yung babaliktarin mo siya. Shoulder and ankle? Shoulder and ankle, Doc?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Teka.
Opposite between arm and leg. Arm, tsaka leg. With pair would be treat. Pag ankle, di ba sabi doon may mirroring mo pag master tong?
So, hindi siya dapat upper arm.
Nalilito ako kasi
Oo, ankle eh. Dapat, di ba?
i-reverse mo yung i-reverse mo tong paa eh.
Forearm.
Shoulder and ankle ako.
Forearm tie. Between arm and...
Ankle pain.
Di ba, i-reverse mo, ikakabit mo sa kabila, yung ankle na sa shoulder.
Oo, shoulder to ankle. Okay.
I-reverse mo kasi yan eh.
Yes. Ay, oo. Kaya pala may sa... Ay, oo, yeah. Sure.
I-reverse.
Oh, yes, yeah. Oo, kasi yung bladder. Yeah, okay. Which of the following best describes the relationship between shadows and oxygen deficiency?
Shadows become more pronounced as carbon dioxide rises.
A specific number of therapeutic sections, Master Tung divided the body into. What is that number?
8.
Hindi,
Ano ba tayo?
Master Tung, specific number of
12 down. Needles yun eh.
divided the body in
12.
12.
We will go here in the future. The correspondence rule that aligns the elbow with the umbilicus, is an example of which directional pairing. Sumakit yung ulo ko, ha?
The elbows. Same directions, correspondence between upper limbs and trunk.
Okay. Which point pair illustrates the hand and hip opposite direction correspondence?
Ano?
Hand and hip.
Iba?
The hand and hip din.
Ganun din.
Point pair.
The term bluish tendon refers to veins with which visual characteristics?
Extremely pronounced purple-blue veins.
Oo, nakikita yan eh. Makikita mo sa bladder 40.
Oo, Doc. Sa malakalakan.
Okay. Let's now go to three-edged needle, which is true.
It drains dark, occluded blood from luotian.
The same direction correspondence between the upper limbs and trunk includes which pair for treating lower abdominal issues?
Same direction. Forearm and lower abdomen.
Abdomen.
Which of the following is an example of contralateral insertion?
Contra.
Inserting needles on the healthy side while the opposite side is diseased.
Venous congestion can block resolution of diseases in which time frame if left untreated?
Isa no, 1 week or 2 months.
Oh,
Can block or something.
yun ba yun?
Resolution.
Yeah, 1 week to 2 months.
Hindi yan pwede alternate to.
So kailangan weekly, pag ganon, di ba? Weekly mo tinitingnan yung pasyente. Oh, venous congestion can block resolution of diseases in which time frame. So you have to really check, no? Which of the following best captures Master Tung's view on local versus distal needling?
Okay.
Distal
Distal-
needling is preferred because corresponding
Corresponding
points enhance curative effect.
Pang distal talaga.
Okay, let's just leave 51. 52 na tayo. Which forearm acupuncture point is specifically for treating palpitation and chest stuffiness?
Ito ba may
PC6. Palpitation, PC6.
Master
56.
Tung punctured. Never mind. I'm not
Hindi ko
sure. Familiar ka na ba? Tianzong, Yunbai.
Kasi
Yun
kapag
pa.
palpitation tsaka parang kinakabahan, PC6 yun eh. Okay, PC7.
Hindi, dito na tayo sa
PC6.
53. Okay, I don't know.
Headache.
Vaginal problems.
Headache on shoulder to address which type of disorder. Headache, di ba?
I know.
Di ba pag masakit shoulder mo, minsan may headache ka?
Ganun ba? Pag shoulder masakit?
Lower
Di ba pag-
abdominal pain.
Ano yun?
Abdominal pain sa vaginal.
CB. Nasa CB na ba yan?
O sige, ano na lang natin.
Vagin.
Next.
Skip muna natin.
In
Skip.
the same direction, correspondence between lower limb and trunk. Which part of the thigh corresponds to the chest, back, and upper abdomen?
Thigh.
Thigh.
Lower limb.
Okay.
Lower.
According to
thigh
opposite direction correspondence, which body region is paired with the foot?
Head.
Head.
Which acupuncture point is used for treating migraine? Oh,
GP41.
that's very effective. Remember that GB40. Stomach surgery is employed for headache due to disturbance in which channel? So remember,
Yangming.
yeah, Yangming. Basta migraine, GB41. Which point is indicated for pain in the back of the head? Uy.
Bladder 65.
O kasi mas malayo, di ba? Common sense.
Hirapan pa ako sa points eh.
Back of the head. Interesting. Ang layo-layo.
Bladder 65.
Ito, never mind. Let's skip this 59. And also 60. I don't really know. Which point? This one too. I don't know. Yeah. Let's see. For treatment of dysmenorrhea. Never mind.
Bibilang ako dyan pag dysmenorrhea. CB6, CB12.
Ito yung ulo ko nito. Okay. Uterine
Dysmenorrhea.
For uterine bleeding, ano? This is easy. Yung may mga 1.
Okay.
Kapag may bleeding sa uterus,
Spleen 1. Spleen 1.
Liver 1, spleen 1.
Which acupuncture point is prescribed for lumbosacral pain?
Kidney 7.
Yes.
Lumbar.
Number wala.
SP6 is indicated for disorders of which anatomical region?
Lower abdomen.
Yeah. Which
Lower.
point is good for treating mania?
2-1.
Hindi ko alam.
Pero alam mo yung duwa.
2-1.
Sa tenga mo na yung duwa. Maganda pala yung duwan. For prolapse of the
For
rectum,
treating
which acupuncture point is punctured?
prolapse.
220.
220.
220.
Holmes' experience of treating right side disorders with left side points exemplifies which therapeutic principle?
Contralateral balance.
The heaven top versus earth gate mirror correspondence pairs which 2 points?
Siyempre, 220 sa kidney 1.
Kidney 1.
Pinakamataas,
Dapat hindi po.
Nice ito, ha? Which anterior posterior mirror pair is explicitly mentioned?
Anterior
Chest and back.
Chest back.
I don't know this. Zhongchu of the neck is used to treat which symptoms?
Hindi ko alam.
Skip. REM24 is selected for which condition?
24, dito yun eh. Neck and stiffness.
Yes. REM24. Okay.
Different neck
The
stiffness.
Coupling needling technique for bone spurs involves, I don't know this. Skip tayo.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Also skip 73, but 74 you should know the answer.
Pagkaalam ko kapag ano, no?
GV31 is needled against the bone to treat all of the following except
Wind disease,
yeah,
number 1.
except question is
Except dysmenorrhea.
dysmenorrhea. Yeah, because wind is Fong, pain syndrome, hemiplegia. Yeah, dysmenorrhea. Wait lang ha.
Number 74 is answer wind disease. Is
Sister,
wind
It
phone.
says except.
Except
Ako, sister.
Except, sorry. Mali ako.
okay, let's go to the next one. Which tendon? I don't know. Yeah. Located
Extra
in the
point
Achilles
siya.
tendon and used for stiff neck tendons. God, ano yan?
Biceps brachii.
Brachia sa bicep, no?
Lung 5, yes.
5.
Set of points is identified for treating muscular atrophy.
Atrophy.
Extra
Hindi ko
point.
alam.
I don't know this. Makit yung ulo.
Hindi ko alam.
Okay, let's go to 79. No, not 79. Number 80. Never.
70.
I don't know this. Okay. Lung 9. Let's go to 81. Lung 9 is described as the influential point of vessels. Its anatomical proximity is to which major blood vessel?
Lung
Radial.
9. Artery. Lung 9. Lung radial. Tama, radial artery.
Sa kabilang side ni heart 7.
Heart and lungs. Sa maliit tsaka sa tab.
Long.
Wait lang ha. Back pain. Okay, sorry. In TCM, I don't know. Which of the following statements best reflects a therapeutic principle? Described as needling proximal to the vessel.
Proximal, no? Stimulate yan eh. Stimulating points near major blood vessels. Improves vascular health. Stimulate.
Hegu is traditionally used for dermatological conditions. Its anatomical location corresponds to which vertebral level in modern anatomy?
Di ba may hego rin sa sa ibang book?
Hego yung sa may kamay.
Hego ba kamay?
I4.
LI4.
LI po.
C2, C3.
C2C3.
LI.
This
Hego LI po.
85. Let's skip that. Let's go to the phrase vessel to treat vessel most closely aligns with which modern biomedical concept?
Endothelial fractions modulations.
Which of the following is located closest to the radial artery?
Radial, no?
Lung nine. Term superior points most likely refers to points that have what characteristic in acupuncture theory?
Acupuncture. High therapeutic potency
for specific systems.
Okay. Which pair of points are identified as being located close to large vessels?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Don't know. Extra
Wala.
points.
Okay.
Ang hego.
Ay nako, ewan ko.
Hindi ko alam.
Which therapeutic outcome would be least expected from needling lung 9?
Lung 9. Relief chronic skin eruption.
You read the question. Least expected.
Least expected.
Answer.
Sa lung 9 yun, Doc.
What's your
Least
answer,
expected.
madam?
Relief of chronic skin.
Eruption.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Which of the following is not mentioned as a superior point for various dermatological conditions?
Lung 11, Doc.
Ano lang
Hindi yan lang. LI.
Lung 11.
LI. The point
Ikuchi.
Renzong belongs to which classical meridian system? Ay, alam ko to.
Renzong.
This is
Renmai.
Perception vessels.
Renmai. If a practitioner follows the principle needling proximal to the vessel for treating arteriosclerosis, which of the following strategies would be most consistent?
Pag tuberculosis, dapat, diba? Konti lang ang needle. Selecting point
Adjacent to.
arteries.
Adjacent? Okay.
Adjacent.
This implies a relationship between acupuncture points and which cardiovascular condition?
Arteriosclerosis.
Okay.
Arterial.
Which point could be hypothesized to influence the influential point of vessels concept due to its proximity to a major conduit?
Long 9. Radio.
Doctor, I don't know this. Ay, Renzong, di ba? Ay, Renzong pala, ano din, kay Master Tung. Okay. So this
Parang
is,
madaming extra points
Oo.
siya.
it
Kay
integrates.
Dr. Tan din madaming extra points eh.
Oh, okay.
Naging
Kuha na rin
gap.
tayo ng extra points.
Go ahead, Doc.
Marami
Discuss
ka
natin yung
maglibro.
extra points.
Marami ka maglibro, sister.
Wala to tayong malito.
Ano ko lang, basa ko lang sa Google.
Ay,
Ang talino.
Hindi.
Parang hindi ka na
Yung
natutuwa.
mga articles.
Okay.
Yeah.
197. Which of the following modern imaging techniques would best verify the claim that lung 9 lies proximal? Oh my God, pati ba naman to?
Which following modern imaging technique will be tayong lang. High resolutions Doppler ultrasounds.
Yeah. Sinong nabuntis? Di ba may mga Doppler? Okay. Which is most likely to be found on the lower limb according to traditional point nomenclature?
Lang ego. Lang
If a researcher wanted to
LI4.
ba?
LI4 ang hego. LI4.
researcher wanted to test the text claim that needling Renzong improves heart disease outcomes, which primary endpoint would be most appropriate.
Okay. Left ventricular injections fractions.
Wow, magka-cardio ka na talaga. Okay, go. Tusukin na natin yung REN 70.
Go.
The phrase needling proximal to the vessel can treat vascular diseases most closely parallels which acupuncture theory?
Ito ibang connecting, di ba, Doc?
No connecting points.
Yeah.
Correct na association.
Connecting.
Which point is located close to large vessels and therefore beneficial for arteriosclerosis?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Don't know. Hula.
Could be lung 9.
Hindi ko alam
Lang
eh.
Could be lung 9. Let's skip this. 103 na tayo. Let's skip na lang everything. Which of the following is not a vascular? It's not a vascular disease. Go.
Ano ba tayo?
Longer
Diba,
answer. Randomized double-blind sham
Hindi,
control sham.
Which is not a vascular disease. Sige, para mag-medicine na kayo.
Sorry.
Ano dyan ang hindi vascular disease? Atherosclerosis?
Di ba osteoarthritis?
Osteoarthritis. Thank you so much, everyone. We hope to see you again next week. By the way, for next week, we shall